Alright, it's Saturday, July the 16th, 2022. It was $7 day at two of the bin stores that I frequent, and made out pretty good. I didn't score like a bandit, but I made out pretty good. I found another one of these touch screens, Creality touch screens. I was hoping it was another one of the 4.2.7 boards, but it was just the touch screen by itself. And that's what it says on the side of the box. It's touch screen kit. And then I found looks like it's a unopened bag of silk PLA in gold color, and it's CC3D brand, I believe is what it says. I didn't bring the box home. And then over Wacky Bins, I found a roll of PETG in yellow that looks almost identical to the gold, and it is unopened. So that was a pretty good score. It's Nova brand, and I found this roll of Himalayan. It's been opened, but looks like it's in pretty good shape. I think they left it. Well, it's rolled up. They had it in the clips, but it don't break. It's not brittle. But it's an olive drab color, and it looks really nice. I'm going to dry it before I try to use it. But it's a PLA. It's color change PLA. I just now seen that temp color change. So temperature changes the color. So that's nice. Something different. And also found a roll of TPU, small roll, not a full roll. It's a really pretty blue. And just as feels like a rubber band practically. So that's going to require a direct drive on that. A little bit of it's been used, not enough to hurt anything. But that's what I found today.